Here's what I find to be the best. If you have a joint issue, like how do you know if you have a joint issue? The joint is the bones, right? The bones have to move well together. And the bones move well together when the ligaments that hold it, ligaments only hold bone and bone together. And we have ligaments on each side of all of our joints that hold our bones together. And when the ligaments get tight, then the joint gets really stiff and it doesn't feel like it moves very well, right? And when you try to press on it, you can see that it doesn't really move that well, right? And then you compare how you move to your other hand, right? So in your thumb, you can compare, look at how freaky my thumbs are, that they go way, way back. And they can also come down. I always measure based on this line. This is my crease where my fingers bend, and I can take my thumb all the way across to below this crease.